Hey everybody, just Ron here. Gonna do another unboxing here. Of course, we know where the item came from. Which most of my items come from Amazon. So let's open this up and see what we have here. Alright, so here we go. So let's open up and see what we have here. I saw my buddy of mine who is a YouTuber as well. He purchased some of these and I thought they were pretty cool. So, you know, like when you're doing your honey-do list around the house, having the right cleaning supplies really help you to make sure that you have a fun experience while you're trying to clean, even though cleaning is never fun. So he had these things and I bought some here, and I'll put the link below where you can hook up to your drill, right? Hook up to your power drill, and it's a scrub brush, right? So like if you go inside the rolling around, if you go inside your shower, you can spray the shower stuff on the wall and get all the grime off, and then when you let it sit for a little while, hook this bad boy up to your power drill and gone. All the dirt, all the grime goes right away. Pretty fun to use. I've used his. I had to buy my own. There's also a small brush here for like sinks. You can use these in your kitchen. You can use these in your car, your RV, anywhere you're doing your cleaning at. The small ones are pretty cool too, because like getting around the sink and around the toilets on the bottom and everything, these small ones really work out great. There's also this one here, which is like a toilet one, and I'll tell you now, you may need to get an extension on this one because you don't want your drill getting too close to that nasty toilet. So this one came with 3 attachments. There's other ones out that has 8, 9, 10 attachments, but overall, at the end of the day, you know, I'm scrubbing down big things, small things, toilets, and around certain areas where they're, you know, the round brush gives you the advantage to go around certain areas that are hard to get to. It's probably all you really need. If you want more, they have other ones out there. The material here is soft, so it's not going to damage, you know, your shower. Whoa. And then your shower or any of the materials in your house. They have some other ones that are a little bit stronger material-wise, like spongy ones, but I stayed away from those because I don't want to leave permanent scratch marks. Because if you're hooking these things up to a power drill, you're gonna get that whole speed and the action going on, right? It's a fun experience, but you don't want to ruin any of your property. You don't want to ruin your shower or your sinks or your car or your RV. It's not worth it. So like, get these here. This is a good deal. 3 of them. I'll put the link below. Maybe like $8 or $9. If you like them and you want more different types, they have plenty of types on Amazon. You can go, or even at your local Lowe's and Home Depot have them as well. You can go there, look them up, and then purchase them there. But I think it's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna grab my drill real quick, show you how to hook it up real quick, and then we go from there. Alright, so I was gonna grab my big drill from Ryobi. Decided to go with a smaller one that I bought from Harbor Freight Tools, just to show you guys, like, hey, look, you can use it with any type of drill. So here's a drill here. What I'm gonna do is take out this attachment here, add in this attachment here, and then you're ready to clean. So guys, you're making cleaning fun, right? Go in there, spray it down, get it wet. No, don't take that the wrong way. Then go in, scrub this thing down with your power drill. Hands free, hands won't be dirty. You can have fun, clean, help your wife, girlfriend, whatever out. And it's just overall good experience. Let me hook it up now and we'll show you the finished product. All right, so there we go. Look, so this is easy. So look, if I'm cleaning this, whoa. Party foul, hold on 1 second. All right, party foul there. So hooking this up now, look, watch this. So now if say this is my shower wall, I spray my stuff material down, watch this. Boom, done, we're clean. Hands free, no grime on your hands, no soap, soot, none of that fun stuff, right? And you can impress your lady friend there, or your whatever, to show them that, you know, hey, I can clean too. Spray it down, hit this bad boy up here, use any drill you want to use, whether it's Ryobi or Milwaukee or whatever brand you have. Hit it in there, good to go. Same thing on the wall. See, I have a dirt mark in my wall right here. Put this bad boy on there. Boom, done. So here you go. So ladies, if you see this video and you want your husband to help clean around the house more, boom, here we go. You got it right here. Like I say, I'm giving a shout out to Harbor Freight Tools for the Warrior brand. It's really affordable. It's probably like 15 bucks for that. Comes with a bunch of attachments, easy peasy. Hook up this thing here and then give him some spray, some cleaner spray, and send him on his way, right? And then your house is clean, he's having fun, he's spraying up, the battery's going crazy, he's spraying everything now. This thing works on windows, sills, front door, back door, but wherever you want to use it at, right? So the whole set is maybe under 10 bucks. Like I say, this is the bigger piece here. The smaller piece is good for tight areas. Oh man, I gotta stop it. And this is right here is good for like toilets, whatnot, or areas that are in weird angles. So anyway, all right, next I'm gonna show you my dirty bathroom down here. We ran out of cleaner, and anyway, so I'm gonna use a new tool here. I'm gonna spray some scrubbing bubbles type stuff on it. Just to show you an example of how it's gonna clean. I'll do one section because I want to thoroughly clean it because it needs it, but after making this video, I put that there, and then let's see what the directions say. It says, directions used, spray 6 inches. Let's sit several minutes. Let's let it sit several minutes. Be right back. All right, so we let it sit for a second. Now we're gonna use our fine brush here to get this thing clean. Let's see how it comes off here. So see how dirty it is now. Look at there. Product worked great. No hand movement, just trust a little drill here. Just wipe it down when you finish. Gets a little dirty there, but that was really super dirty. So you see before and after. You can't beat that. Pause on the before and after. Just Ron here. Hope you like the product review. Make sure you like, hit subscribe. Doing more fun things like this. This tool's gonna be groundbreaking for some of us guys. I don't like to clean so much, but this is fun cleaning. That's the unboxing video here. Just Ron. I'll put the link below into the in the post here, and I appreciate everybody's help. Just Ron here. Continue to like and subscribe and add comments. Everybody take care. Be safe out there. Just Ron out.